I plan on mining Bitcoin with these two destroyed Teslas. Is it possible? Can I do it? I have no idea, but I am willing to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to give it a go. And you're the lucky viewer. You get to watch and follow the whole journey. That is if you want. Also, smash the subscribe button. And now let me share my idea about this crazy project. All right, so what I plan on doing is buying a ton of destroyed Teslas, like this 2020 Tesla Model 3. As you can see, it is completely destroyed. Actually, it's a 2021. Check out the interior, destroyed. The whole car is pretty much a disaster. I don't know if it was rolled over, if it got sandwiched in between multiple other vehicles, but it was totaled completely. Check out the rear end. Yeah, there's not a single part, maybe this door right here, that is good on the car. So we are ready to go with this Tesla, but I do have another one behind it, and this one has even more damage. As you can see right now, I'm trying to charge this lithium battery. I just had it on a solar charger over there, but as you can see, the whole front end of this car is completely gone. The doors on the sides are completely gone, but it still has the white interior, which I will resell to help pay for the cost that I spent on this vehicle. All right, let's go to the other side. Check that damage out. Wheels completely ripped off, damage to the door. Literally, this car is completely destroyed. But this rear door is in good shape, and the rear end is in good shape as well. So we will have a ton of parts to resell. But let's quickly show you the inside. Check it out. This one, I still haven't verified that the battery is good, so I'm waiting for all these gizmos to charge that little one so I can verify everything before I decide what to do with this one. So before I got these two Teslas, I had another one that I bought that was wrecked as well, and I completely stripped that one. As you can see, I got the motor over there, suspension, and the most important part, this giant battery. There's too much mess right here, too much tools for you to actually see the battery, but it is humongous. Check it out. This battery, I even had to buy a pallet jack just to lift it, but humongous battery. So now you're probably thinking, what in the world do I plan on doing with these two wrecked Teslas and a Tesla battery that I have in my garage? Well, I had this crazy idea where I will literally buy wrecked Teslas, take the batteries out, and use the batteries and solar panels to power up Bitcoin miners and other miners as well. So that is the big idea. That is the plan. Have I ever done anything like this before? Absolutely not. Obviously, I had mined crypto before, Ethereum and a bunch of other ones, but I have never embarked on a project this big in order to mine some crypto. So hopefully everything goes smoothly. Like I said, right now I am in the beginning stages. So over the next couple of months, I will be collecting as many Tesla batteries as I possibly can. I will be buying equipment, inverters, solar panels, all of that stuff in order to get everything ready to go. Right now I spent a decent amount of money on these 3 batteries by buying these wrecked cars. So over the next couple of weeks, I will be stripping the entire vehicle, selling a bunch of parts, recouping some of the money, and then using that money to buy other parts such as an inverter, solar panels, and other things that I will need for this project. So if you guys are familiar with solar, you would know that storage is extremely expensive, and batteries are literally one of the most expensive parts of any solar project, especially if you plan on doing everything off grid. That is my plan for right now. I want to be completely off grid by using these batteries. And you're probably asking yourself, why in the world are you buying wrecked cars in order to buy batteries? Because these batteries are humongous. They're anywhere between 50 kilowatts all the way up to 80 something kilowatts. And if you go to Tesla or if you go to any solar company and you tell them you want to buy a 50 kilowatt battery or a 100 kilowatt battery, the price will be more than what I paid for all 3 of these, the solar panels and all of that stuff combined. Batteries are extremely expensive. This right here is probably the cheapest way that you can get a ton of storage for cheap. So after I realized that you can power a Tesla battery using solar panels and you can power up your entire house, I decided to do something bigger and use the Tesla batteries to mine Bitcoin. Hopefully this thing works out. I cannot wait to show you guys more content, more videos about this. So the plan is very simple. Buy wrecked Teslas, take the batteries out, sell the rest for parts, buy a giant inverter, buy a ton of solar panels, and buy some crypto miners. And then cross my fingers and pray that these batteries do not overheat and explode and cause a giant crater in my neighborhood. So if you don't want to get your hands dirty or spend tens of thousands of dollars buying Tesla batteries, buying solar panels, you might want to check out Go Mining. With Go Mining, you are able to start mining Bitcoin and start getting daily payouts by simply investing 20 something bucks to purchase one of these miners. It is super easy to use. They have the marketplace where you can purchase the miner that you want. You can create your own miner, and you can do all of this from your mobile home without ever having to build out a massive rig. Best of all, Go Mining is extremely transparent. They literally have videos of their miners mining live. So if you want to start mining, check out the link in the description box below. Make sure to use that promo code for an even bigger discount. As of right now, I still need to plan a lot of things, like where will I put the batteries, where will I put the solar panels, how will I hook everything up, what else do I need to get. Literally, this is just a wild idea that I'm gonna do my best to actually put to use. So I invested in these vehicles, got another battery, got another Tesla. This one I'm not going to be destroying, but my plan is very simple. This is my garage. It is a complete mess right now. I will be creating a wall, dividing it, and then by that window right here, my plan is to create some kind of shelving system so I can stack the batteries and then put the solar panels on this side of the roof right here, and then hopefully build another extension like a patio thing in order to get more coverage, in order to put even more solar panels. Right now I will need a ton of solar panels. I'm guessing anywhere between 40 to 150 solar panels. I'm not even sure if I have enough room for 150 solar panels on my roof and in the entire backyard. So we're gonna see, we're gonna try to figure something out. I might even build out a giant carport right here and put more solar panels on the carport. As of right now, I'm literally exploring a ton of ideas. Might even put them on the roof of my house. But as of right now, we're still in the beginning stages. I cannot wait for this thing to start progressing and for me to see actual results. This thing is super exciting. Like, the more I think about it, the more I want to implement it. Over the last 7 days, we have seen a lot of rain, so I haven't been able to dismantle any of these cars yet. But it literally takes 4 days to strip an entire Tesla. Literally, like every single part on the vehicle, the interior, the seats, the dash, literally nothing left but the frame. Takes me about 3 days. So I got another 3 days here, a couple days in between for weather. Probably in about 2 weeks, you're gonna see 2 empty shells of what used to be Teslas. Also, if you want me to do a full breakdown of how much these Teslas have cost me, how much money I have invested so far, what parts I bought, or if you have any other questions that you want me to answer, drop those in the comment section below. One final thing, I will be tracking everything. Literally every penny that is spent on this project will be tracked in a spreadsheet, so you can see exactly how much it costs me to build everything. Hopefully I will be able to keep the costs very low, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you want to follow this journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this build, drop that in the comment section below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.